In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Do Not Disturb is a helpful setting that silences calls, alerts, and notifications when you don't want to be bothered. However, there may be times when you need to disable it to receive important messages or calls. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the Control Center. Then look for this button. To turn off Do Not Disturb Focus Mode, simply tap on it. And then tap on these three little dots. Then tap on this. Do Not Disturb is now turned off on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.